A 1 to A2 airport vocabulary. 30 words. Word 1. Airport. An airport is a place where planes arrive and leave. Example. I am at the airport. Word 2. Plane. A plane is a big machine that flies in the sky. Example. The plane is very big. Word 3. Ticket. A ticket shows that you can travel. Example. I have my ticket. Word 4. Passport. A passport is a small official book for travel. Example. I need my passport. Word 5. Bag. A bag is something you carry things in. Example. My bag is small. Word 6. Luggage. Luggage means the bags you take when you travel. Example. My luggage is heavy. Word 7. Flight. A flight is a journey by plane. Example. My flight is at 10 o'clock. Word 8. Gate. A gate is the place where you wait before you get on the plane. Example. My gate is number 5. Word 9. Seat. A seat is where you sit. Example. My seat is near the window. Word 10. Boarding pass. A boarding pass is a paper or phone ticket for getting on the plane. Example. Here is my boarding pass. Word 11. Check-in. Check-in is when you show your ticket and give your luggage. Example. I need to check in. Word 12. Security. Security is the place where people check bags and passengers. Example. We go through security. Word 13. Suitcase. A suitcase is a big travel bag. Example. My suitcase is blue. Word 14. Carry-on bag. A carry-on bag is a small bag you take on the plane. Example. This is my carry-on bag. Word 15. Pilot. A pilot is the person who flies the plane. Example. The pilot is ready. Word 16. Passenger. A passenger is a person who travels by plane, bus, train, or car. Example. There are many passengers at the airport. Word 17. Departure. Departure means leaving. Example. The departure time is 9 o'clock. Word 18. Arrival. Arrival means coming to a place. Example. The arrival time is 12 o'clock. Word 19. Delay. A delay means something is late. Example. There is a delay. Word 20. Terminal. A terminal is a building at the airport. Example. We are in Terminal 2. Word 21. Boarding. Boarding means getting on the plane. Example. Boarding starts now. Word 22. Land. Land means the plane comes down to the ground. Example. The plane will land soon. Word 23. Take off. Take off means the plane goes up into the sky. Example. The plane will take off soon. Word 24. Window seat. A window seat is a seat next to the window. Example. I like a window seat. Word 25. Aisle seat. An aisle seat is a seat next to the walking space. Example. He wants an aisle seat. Word 26. Passport control. Passport control is the place where people check your passport. Example. We go to passport control. Word 27. Customs. Customs is the place where officers check what people bring into a country. Example. We go through customs. Word 28. Baggage claim. Baggage claim is the place where you get your luggage after a flight. Example. My suitcase is at baggage claim. Word 29. Information desk. An information desk is a place where you ask questions. Example. Let's ask at the information desk. Word 30. Taxi. A taxi is a car that takes people somewhere for money. Example. We need a taxi to the hotel.
A 1 to A2 airport real conversation. Hi, Jeff.
Are you ready for the trip?
Hi, Lauren. Yes, I am ready, but I am a little nervous. This airport is very big.
Don't worry. We have time. First, we need to find the check-in desk.
Okay. I have my ticket and I have my passport.
Good. Where is your luggage?
Here. This big suitcase is my luggage, and this small bag is my carry-on bag.
Right. Your carry-on bag goes with you on the plane. Your suitcase goes with the airport workers.
I understand. Oh, look. There is the check-in desk.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Hello. Here is my ticket. And here is my passport.
And here is my boarding pass.
Boarding pass. What is that?
It is the paper you need to get on the plane. It shows your flight. It shows your gate. And it shows your seat.
Oh, I see. My flight is at 10 o'clock. My gate is number 8. And my seat is 14A.
14A. That is a window seat. You can see the sky.
Nice. I like a window seat. What about you?
My seat is 14B. I am next to you. But it is not a window seat.
Is it an aisle seat?
No. It is the middle seat.
Oh no. The middle seat is not great.
It is okay. The flight is not long.
Now what do we do?
Now we go through security.
Security?
Yes. They check passengers. They check bags. It is normal at the airport.
Okay. I will put my bag here and my phone.
Good job. Now we can go to the terminal.
Which terminal are we in?
We are in Terminal 1.
This terminal is very busy. There are many passengers.
Yes. Many people are traveling today.
Where is our gate?
Our gate is number 8. Look. The sign says Gate 8 this way.
Great. Let's go.
Wait. I want to ask one question at the information desk.
Okay. What do you want to ask?
I want to ask about the departure time.
But the ticket says 10 o'clock.
Yes. But sometimes there is a delay.
A delay means the plane is late, right?
Exactly. A delay means something is late.
Let's ask.
Hello? Is our flight on time?
The woman says yes. No delay.
Right. Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Boarding means we get on the plane?
Yes. Boarding means passengers get on the plane.
I am excited. This is my first flight.
Really? Your first flight?
Yes. I know the plane will take off, but I feel nervous.
That is normal. When the plane takes off, it goes up into the sky. It may feel strange, but it is okay.
And when the plane lands, it comes down?
Yes. The plane will land at our arrival airport.
What is our arrival time?
Our arrival time is 12 o'clock.
Good. After we land, what do we do?
First, we go to passport control.
They check my passport?
Yes. Then we go through customs.
Customs checks our bags?
Sometimes, yes. Then we go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim is where I get my suitcase?
Exactly. Your suitcase will come there.
And after baggage claim?
After baggage claim, we take a taxi.
A taxi to the hotel?
Yes. A taxi to the hotel.
Perfect. I feel better now.
Good. You know many airport words now.
Airport. Plane. Ticket. Passport. Bag. Luggage. Flight. Gate. Seat. Boarding pass. I remember them.
Very good. And you also know check-in, security, suitcase, carry-on bag, pilot, passenger, departure, arrival, and delay.
This is useful. I can travel in English now.
Yes, you can. Look. Boarding starts now.
Let's go to the gate.
Yes. Get your boarding pass ready.
Here it is.
Right. Now, let's get on the plane.
I am ready. Window seat, here I come.
Good luck, Mr. Window Seat.
Thank you. And please enjoy the middle seat.
Very funny, Jeff. Very funny.
Repeat sentences.
Now, repeat these sentences.
I am at the airport.
I have my ticket. I have my passport. My bag is small. My luggage is heavy. This is my suitcase. This is my carry-on bag. My flight is at 10 o'clock.
Where is my gate?
My gate is number 8. I have my boarding pass. We need to check in. We go through security. The pilot is ready. There are many passengers. The departure time is 9 o'clock. The arrival time is 12 o'clock. There is no delay. We are in Terminal 1. Boarding starts now. The plane will take off soon. The plane will land soon. I have a window seat. He has an aisle seat. We go to passport control. We go through customs. I get my suitcase at baggage claim. Let's ask at the information desk. We need a taxi to the hotel. Great job. Keep repeating these sentences. The more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes.